and atalinda nchi ya Uganda, the flag of the Republic of Uganda.
Fadir twaha yatungi bukwata by'obwebembezi ebirumwe bendera y'ihanga ya East African Community ya PLU hamwe na stampu otiriho na report za ofisi.
And also a report detailing what has been happening in the office. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I thank all of you for this. We hand over to your culture to now put.
Arukayo reporti y'urugendo rwa PLU yashobora kweki nicyoreke nkwatanisa hamwe n'obwebembezi oburi kurebera hare aho yashabembezi kire nkwatanisa no kugumza mukombeka Uganda.
When I took over offices as the first General Secretary of PLU, I remember feeling a mix of excitement and challenge. The duty and task ahead of me was enormous, but I did not walk this journey alone. I had a dedicated team of Central Committee members, cadres, staff of PLU.
Ugu yashaba PLU okubera abandi eky'okureberaho na mnonga okugira enkwatanisa n'okwombeka Uganda otiriho n'okurinda ebyo ebyakozirwe.
PLU will be the best example of unity. My fellow patriots, the task ahead is challenging, but the opportunity before us is even greater. Together we can build a Uganda where public resources are protected, services are delivered effectively, opportunities are accessible to all, and every citizen feels the benefit of development.
Oguya hamya kwakwisha kwatanza na chairman wa PLU Mhozikini Rugaba ukuonjere chibine cho misho.
I commit myself to working closely with our chairman, the Central Committee, our leaders across the country, and patriotic Ugandans to advance this mission. Let us review all the commitment to building the great organization. Let us support all government programs.
Oguya shabanya Uganda mabzura misho kuranso Obushomankuzi kandi no kugira enkwatanisa.
Let us be vigilant against corruption. Let us demand accountability. Let us champion service delivery. Let us unite around a common purpose of building a strong and more prosperous Uganda. The future of Uganda is bright, and together we shall make it even brighter. Long live the Patriotic League of Uganda. Long live President Museveni. Long live General Moses Kainerugaba. Long live Uganda, for God and my country. Thank you.
I believe that this new office is going to perform miracles this time around. We've got good cadres. We have got committed people. I think we are going to see PLU in another level.
Right Honorable Oboth or Speaker w'ishenjero yasima ba member ba PLU ahawe babasize kora kugira ngo bingi nibyo borekeriro misho kandi yayoreka kwari kuza kwatanisa na Secretary General.
We are here today to witness a transition, a transfer of responsibility that carries the full weight of PLU's movement's future and indeed the future of Uganda. I thank Honorable David Kabanda for his years of dedicated service as the Pioneer Secretary General of PLU. He set a high standard for this position.
Oguya shobora Secretary General mtiatunga bwembezi kwonka kwerekana obwesi bw'omubantu.
To the incoming Secretary General, Honorable Fadil Twa, I offer a message that is both a welcome and a warning. You inherit not a title, but a trust. And I want to say that again. You are inheriting not a title of General Secretary, but a trust. This is a commission, not an office.
Gasha kwa Ivan Nyesiga awatari Kampala.